Hey, welcome back to another episode of Easy Eats. Today on the show, we're working with soft shell tortillas. And we just finally chopped this up, okay? And like, you could add whatever you want, sriracha, anything for spice. And then I finally chopped the apple as well. I never thought like apple would go good with this, but I'm telling you, I personally love it. Now I'm gonna make put in some shredded matzah. This gives it kind of a rich flavor. We're just getting this done as quick as possible so that we can get to the beach. So I just added whatever I think is good. It's probably about a tablespoon for this. You don't really need a whole lot. Pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Like you could put onion and lettuce. So I just put a little bit on the tortilla shell. So I just fold it just like that. Fold it in. There you go. And then I just cut them. Okay. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of mayo, chicken, salt and pepper. And they're so good. I can't believe it.